Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and minimizing risk. Shut the Xbox down, unplug everything, and wait 5 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Once done, put on an anti-static strap and work on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Make sure you have Torx T8/T10 and a flat pry tool. These are the only tools you need for most Xbox One chassis. Locate the hard drive access cover. On some models, it's a rubber strip. On others, a plastic panel, so you can begin the removal. You now remove the cover and expose the drive. Gently pry the plastic panel or peel the rubber flap. Don't force it to avoid breaking clips. Once exposed, remove the Torx screws that secure the hard drive bracket or metal shield. Keep screws labeled and separate. Next, slide the bracket outward or lift it straight up depending on model design. Make sure you observe cable orientation and connector position as you detach the drive, because exact alignment matters when you reinstall or replace the unit. You finish by disconnecting the SATA/power connector with a steady, straight pull and lifting the drive from the bay. Avoid bending the connector pins. Before reassembling everything, you can test booting by reconnecting the drive and powering the console to confirm detection. Once validated, reverse the disassembly steps. Replace the bracket, tighten screws finger firm, snap the cover back. If the Xbox fails to boot, make sure the connector is fully seated. Screws aren't over tight, and retry. Loose connections are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.